Hi everyone, so this Women's Day I wanted to talk to you about us, women. I saw this campaign by Rivaj and it was amazing. Why? Because we as women are labeled to be too sensitive. चाहे वो education की बात हो या equality की बात हो, there is a label on us women when people say that we are too sensitive. So do you all think that being too sensitive is actually a weakness? Because I don't think so. Being too sensitive is rather our strength and not a weakness. We literally face challenges every single day, be it education, be it career, be it equality, be it your own personal freedom. So is being sensitive a weakness or a strength? So Rivaj has sent me this tote bag that says women are too sensitive about making their own choices. So guys, and they have also sent me a few products which I absolutely love. As a brand, I have been using Rivaj since a while now and I absolutely love their products. What I want to tell you guys is that I will be tagging the page over here. Go on Rivaj's page and look at the video that they have made about this topic, that women are too sensitive, because I genuinely loved how they brought up this topic regarding women being too sensitive this Women's Day, and I am all for women being too sensitive about so many good things. So for me, it's a strength and not a weakness. So guys, do check out their campaign and also give these amazing products a try. So this one product I want to talk to you guys about, I wanted to show you guys because I've been using this since a while now. It's the Sunblock by Rivaj and it is SPF 60 and the texture and the feel of the sunblock is really good. So definitely give this a try this summer season.